MCQs 926 to 950. MCQ 926. The All India Muslim League was founded on 30 December 1906. MCQs 927. The annual session in which the Muslim League was founded took place in Dhaka. MCQs 928. The first president of the All India Muslim League was Aga Khan III. MCQs 929. The Shimla deputation met the Viceroy in 1906. MCQs 930. The Morley-Minto reforms was introduced in 1909. MCQs 931. The Lucknow Pact was an agreement between Muslim League and Indian National Congress. MCQs 932. The Khilafat movement started in 1919. MCQs 933. The Jallianwala Bagh occurred in 1919. MCQs 934. The non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. And MCQs 935. The Delhi proposal was presented by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. MCQs 936. The Round Table Conference were held in London. MCQs 937. The first Round Table Conference was held in 1930. MCQs 938. The second Round Table Conference was held in 1931. MCQs 939. The third Round Table Conference was held in 1932. MCQs 940. The Government of India Act 1935. Introduced. The answer is provisional autonomy. MCQs 941. Provisional elections under the Government of India Act were held in 1937. MCQ 942. Congress ministries resigned in 1939. MCQs 943. Quaid-e-Azam declared Day of Deliverance on 22 December 1939. MCQs 944. The Lahore Resolution was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq. MCQs 945. The Lahore Resolution was passed on 23rd March 1940. MCQs 946. The Cripps mission came to India in 1942. MCQs 947. The Gandhi-Jinnah talks were held in 1944. MCQs 948. The Cabinet Mission Plan was announced in 1946. MCQs 949. The Mountbatten Plan was announced on 3rd June 1947. MCQs 950. Pakistan came into existence on 14 August 1947. Today we have covered MCQs from 926 to 950. In the next coming video we will discuss MCQs from 951 to 975, and we are going to complete our series soon. Thanks for watching.